So in this video I head to Llangollen in North Wales along with Chris Harvey, another photographer and YouTuber who you will see crop up in this video occasionally, and I will link his channel down below, and I decided to make a short point of view photography video. Our first stop on our wander around the town was this motor museum, which was closed at the time, but it was the perfect place to spend 10-15 minutes and just get our eye in for the day and to start taking photos.
Hey? Enjoy. They've parked right in the way from where I wanted to be. I think I saw someone down here. I don't know whether to go down or not.
So I did actually decide to go for a wander down this little lane, and I actually got a few of my favourite shots of the entire day very early on down here. This is my ideal photography location where you've got loads of different things going on and lots of different things to focus on that each tell their own individual stories, and you can keep changing your composition and finding new things and new angles to try and find something new. We then changed locations and started wandering around the country lanes, and this is just a nice little scene with a gate leading down into the valley with a house at the bottom of it and the autumnal colours surrounding it.
Busy little road.
This was just a nice simple scene with the road acting as a leading line towards the tree, which acts as the main focal point, but I really like that it's balanced with the broken away hedge on the left, adding a bit of texture as well.
I don't know, is this someone's driveway?
So it turns out that this was actually someone's driveway, but as Chris was hidden away behind a tree, I quickly grabbed this shot, which again uses the road as a leading line heading into a vanishing point, and it just captures the final autumn colours before they disappear for the year.
This is my sort of scene with the hills in the background, the little barns. It's just a bit of a shame I can't get that telegraph pole in the sky portion of the image, but I think it still works. Something like this. And then with this one, trying not to get the fence in it and just the front portion of the car. A bit like that. Needs some better conditions, but it's a nice photo.
This shot of the Land Rover is okay, it's nothing special, but they are moments that I do like to try and capture if I can quickly. But this is definitely a location that I'm going to try and head back to very soon because I think there's a lot more photos to be had around here. This is a location that I really liked, but I struggled to find a composition that balanced itself entirely, and I couldn't quite figure out why, so this again is a little bit of one of those nice to have quick shot moments. And as we came to the end of our walk around Llangollen, we came across this location and I grabbed some of my favourite shots of the day, including this one of the gate and the tree acting as the focal point with the path leading you through. And finally, one of my favourite shots of the day I grabbed from walking through that same gate and shooting back in the opposite direction, up the road, up the hill, with the trees on the right and the farm buildings in the top left corner. And that was pretty much our walk around Llangollen. I will link Chris's channel in the description down below. Make sure you go and give his videos a watch and subscribe. Here's one final image, and I shall see you in the next video.